This is part 3 of the DIY truck camper build that we're doing. We're on the roof today.
Well, I think we put a lot of work into it.
Definitely have, no doubt about that. Stay tuned for the roof today.
Stay tuned.
All right, here we go. Another rainy day, so I'm set up under the canopy here again, and I'm working on the roof today. And man, this has been keeping me up at night right here. I think I kind of have a plan here, and this whole build I'm just making up as I go. So we're just inventing this thing as we go. This roof part is really complicated. So I made these legs right here, and how this is going to work is when this is up, there's a huge gap here between this wall and this wall, and so these legs are going to go in here, and then they're going to fold up into the roof.
I'm cutting the skirting for the roof sides out of the same 1/2-inch plywood that was used for the rest of the camper. As far as the thickness of the roof goes, I used a regular 2x4 on the ends to give the space needed to fold the legs up in, as well as to cover the walls and windows without crushing anything. The skirting extends down past the 2x4 about 1 inch.
I think day 2 of the roof build. Got Jordan with me again here today. And so what we're planning on doing here is we're gonna run these. I ripped 2x4s in half. This is what I've been using for the frame, but I'm also gonna use these for the roof. And we're running these lengthwise here. So we have these legs here on the sides, and we're gonna kind of sandwich that in there like that. There's gonna be spacers here to hold the skirting out and give stability. We need these 5 cut at 93 1/4. Precisely 93 1/4. Yeah, I think you cut it short. Yeah. Let's check it and see. It's definitely short. Oh, it's about 1/4 inch short.
Yeah.
I have an extra one though. Let's do it for real this time. Check it. Yeah. All right, it's nice and tight. That'll work. Right. Grab the next one. It's beautiful. Am I bleeding?
Can't tell.
Or are you bleeding?
Well, I don't think it's me.
Yeah, I wonder what that is. I thought it was blood. Okay.
In hindsight, it would have been great to have done this before the faceplate was on, but we'll just say that I was intentionally adding strength to the unit by securing the plywood to the rafter. Hey, it's my story, so that's what I'm going with.
I'll go in the right spot. There we go. That'll work. Okay, I'm doing the next one.
Right, then you'll have to hold this.
So, I want you to put a hole right here and right here and go as straight in as possible.
All right.
Yep. Looks good. Next one.
Let's see. We'll
It's all right. You can just keep it in forward next time. It'll come right back out.
Right.
Don't do that yet. Drill the bottom one here yet?
Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Okay. Go for it. Beautiful. Back it out.
Back it out.
Just hit the trigger again and pull it out. There you go. Be very careful. Don't let it come off. Keep some pressure on it. Okay, back it out. Just a hair. A little more. Okay, now put it forward. Go for it. Okay, that's good. You're sunk now. Back it out here. Awesome. You're in. It's good. We're going to cut this piece for the roof while we're waiting for the battery to charge.
I'm adding braces in between the rafters to keep them straight and to give something to staple the 1/4-inch plywood to. Here I used a couple of 2x4s to extend down past the rafter. The ends where the rafters are attached are 2x4, so the center also needed a 2x4 for some extra support to keep from sagging. This rests on the top of the wall while the roof is down.
It is, I think, I don't know, 7:30, 8 o'clock. It's dark, it's raining. I've been pushing today to get the roof done, or at least under roof. It is not coated yet. I'm gonna put, I have some leftover pond liner. I'm gonna install on the top of that. We're not to that point yet, but at least we have the plywood on the roof.
Hurricane Helene has finally passed, and we have a few days of nice weather, so we're setting up next to the garage for now. The plan is to get the roof on and get the camper primed before the next rain comes. We're using pond liner for the roof. This was left over from our pond project a couple years ago. The install is much like installing a vinyl floor, although this product is not as rigid as vinyl. Because of that, extra care is needed to avoid trapping bubbles. I'm using my hands to push the air bubbles out and to get a good transfer of glue. We got a pretty good transfer of glue. There are a couple of wrinkles here yet, but the sun will help them come out in a few minutes. I'm cutting the liner with about a 1-inch overhang down the side. Jordan is following me with a stapler. After paint, this will get sealed and metal trim. Coming up in our next episode, we'll be doing some body work, priming, and cutting holes for windows. Don't forget to check out our channel memberships. For $4.99 a month, you get early access to videos and your name in the credits. Businesses, you can get your logo at the front of our videos for $49.99 a month. Thanks for supporting our channel. If this video was helpful to you, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you the next time.